everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. I'm Noreen and this is my kitchen. Today we're going to start a 3-part series that will end with a delicious dish, but we have to make this spice blend before so that we can use it in the recipe. And we're going to make a very mild pantry style curry powder. Now, I am the first to admit that curry is not my favorite, but I really want to try this recipe that I have developed and I think it will be delicious. And well, we're going to find that out. But this curry powder, curry powder isn't a thing just from one ingredient. Curry powder is a blend of spices. And in Eastern Indian cooking, that can have a lot of different ingredients. But this one is very basic and very mild. It doesn't have any heat to it, with the exception of some black pepper. So I hope that you don't mind that. But this is very easy. And we probably have all the ingredients that you need sitting on your spice rack, ready to go. So what we need is 2 tablespoons of ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of ground ginger, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. That's really easy. Alternatively, you can add a teaspoon of ground coriander. Believe it or not, I don't have any of that particular spice because I don't use it a lot. So that's probably one of the things where I'm lacking. So I'll have to make sure I get a small jar of that just to keep in the spice cupboard. But in any case, you know the deal. You know how I do things here when I make spice blends. We're just going to gather all of these things up, and you can see that it's super easy to do this. Now, I'm not going to put this in a jar because it's really, for me, it's a small amount. And because I probably won't use curry powder a whole lot, we're just going to put it in this. It's like, I think this is a 1 cup size plastic deli container. I buy a variety pack of these, so it comes with a cup, and this size is 8 ounces. It comes with 16-ounce pints, and then it comes with 4-cup quart size deli containers. So we love that. I'm just going to put that in there. Okay, so all we're going to do now is we're going to give this a good shake. And it looks like curry powder for sure. And I spilled turmeric everywhere, so my pretty towel that I have down here as a mat is going to get stained because, turmeric. We're going to open that up, and there's your beautiful curry powder ready to go. This is probably a little over a half a cup, maybe a little less than a half a cup. I don't know. If I measured all of the ingredients, so that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe a little over a quarter of a cup. But it's more than enough for you to get ready to make the recipe that I'm getting ready to make, which is going to be an Ohana Chicken Salad. And I can't wait to share that with you. So keep posted here to this channel and make sure that your notifications are turned on and that you have the notification bell set to let you know whenever I upload a new video. So that is how you make a very easy pantry style curry powder that is easy and delicious. And I hope that you give this a try, and I hope that you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.